Hi guys, Lens here. So if you have an iPhone and you are having a problem where when you try charge your phone, whether it's type C, whether it's lightning cable, you're having an issue where your phone is not charging, it is registering like it is charging, or even it's at 0% and it's not turning on, it's not charging, or the battery is running down instead of going up, right? So if it's at 10%, it's taking its time and it's going down to 9, 8%. If you're having that problem, guys, the problem can be with the charging ribbon for your phone. As you can see with this one that I'm doing it on, it is registering the charge. So we can see it's at 53%. And if it's not going up and you notice you're having this issue, it will not charge. The issue is most likely with the charging ribbon. I have some here as an example. So these are all charging ribbons for iPhone, different iPhones. So this is what is at the bottom of the this is like the charging flex that charge the phone. It can be that this part is defective in some way and you may need to get it replaced. But guys, to confirm that you actually have that problem, you can also use a wireless charger, and by using a wireless charger, the phone should charge normally. So as you can see that the wireless charger turned blue. Whenever I put the phone down, and you can see it's still at 53%. So what we're going to be doing, we are going to be leaving this for a few minutes and then we are going to see if the percentage will go up. But guys, if you're having this problem, that's the issue. I've actually seen this happen with different phones. I've seen this happen with the iPhone 16. I've seen this happen with the iPhone 17 as well, where you plug the phone to charge and it's not charging. It's detecting, but it's not giving anything. It's not, boosting up the phone. It's not charging it. So I have this on the wireless charger. I'm gonna give it a few minutes on camera and we are going to see how long it takes for this to charge. So as you can see, it's at 54% there now. I'm gonna leave it. So we are going to see in 2-3 minutes how much the percentage moved up. But you can see definitely on the wireless charger that the percentage is definitely going up. So if you have any doubts about your phone not turning on, not charging, especially if it's on a dead battery, that's one thing you want to do. You want to put it on a wireless charge and see how it is charging. So guys, I left the phone for 3 minutes, so let's check the phone now, and we can see that the phone is at 57. So definitely the phone is charging and the percentage is going up. So if you encounter this problem, you can let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you're new to my channel, guys, go right ahead, subscribe, and also like the video. And also let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful.